It looks mental. Let's go around and show you guys the full exterior of the build. And here it is. It looks absolutely incredible. I love how much it is inspired from that original Arkham Asylum set we talked about earlier. It looks so good. We can see obviously the gates. They do slightly overhang here, which I think is quite interesting. We've got the Madhouse printed sign there. It's important. We do have some stickers in this set, but we also did get some printed pieces. This is like Poison Ivy's cell coming out here where we can see all these plants coming out. But again, look at this. Like, it just looks absolutely incredible as we go across. Loads of security cameras everywhere, loads of detail. We can keep spinning this. We just see everything is built up purposefully. They thought everything through. The gate looks fantastic going all the way around. We'll look at the back. Now the back actually does stick out a little bit, which is quite interesting. But we can see all the windows that go up here, as well as like the windows to cells and things, which is really interesting. The roof, will be a light. We'll show off the lights fully, hopefully quite soon. Oh, just broke something. We've got a little cell here, just like in the original set version. Looks great. Oh, the roof is not fully on there. But yeah, we keep moving this round. And again, the detail is just staggering. All the brickwork, just everything gone into this. It looks incredible. We've taken all the floors off, obviously apart from the first, to give us a proper look at all the interior. You can see the inside is just as detailed out there as the outside. We've got loads of cells here. Each one has a sticker for which villain is meant to be in there, and the doors slide open and shut, just like the real set. So it has plenty of playable features, which is really cool. It's really hard to like get in and show you all the details, but just be assured they are there. Like, you can see, if I try and zoom in a bit, like there are stickers that really show off everyone in this set. We also have some visiting cells, which I think is quite a cool touch, where obviously people can come visit, inmates and whatnot, as well as a receptions desk, which has a bunch of, I think, stickers there where we've got newspaper, and we've also got what is a bit like a mirror, I think, where we can see like what is the Joker's signature. I think that's for, and it's like for Harley Quinn, which is really cool. But we got two big staircases which lead up. And yeah, it looks so good. I actually can't believe it. Like, looking at all the detail, it's insane to see. Let's have the second floor. Okay, so we've added on the second floor, and this floor is kind of like a specialist floor. So first of all, the staircase leads back up from the first floor on both sides, as long with a banister looking down. We have Mr. Freeze's cell over here, some great stickers as well, and showing off a really icy look. Obviously, that's what Mr. Freeze needs to survive. We've got some basic cells as well, nothing too special across here. They're just kind of there, you know, just to fill more inmates in. And this side we have another specialist cell, that being Poison Ivy's. We can see loads of plantation going on that's kind of overgrown the cell, which looks really interesting. Over here in the corner as well, we do have a bit of a smaller office. That's just for some more general thing. Again, more stickers there, showing some wanted posters. But it just looks absolutely fantastic, guys. I can't believe this. The tiling looks so good. Everything just works here. It just looks amazing. Then we add floor number 3. And again, the staircases keep going up. This is more of like a cafeteria and eating space kind of room, where we do have like a surgeon medical office up here, as well as another normal corner office lodged into this corner with a bunch of more stickers in. But yeah, more of a general eating space for inmates and a place where they can get some food. And then finally, of course, we add this last top floor, which just rounds things off in such a fantastic way and makes for such an amazing set. Now, something really interesting about this set is it also comes with some lights. So I think we probably should play about with those and try and get some of those in. Now, one maybe disappointment, but not really, of this set is the fact that it doesn't come with any minifigures. But because I'm such a big Lego Batman fan, I've had so many sets from over the years, so I've decided to decorate this my way. Just for now, this could change at literally any time, but just to like showcase how good it looked, and especially when the minifigures like populate it, how good it is on minifigure scale. Let's take a look. Here it is. So many details I've tried to add here, literally, and it will change because I do want to add the lights in a minute as well. But yeah, we have a Nightwing flying up, where we've got Man-Bat and Killer Moth flying up there. Commissioner Gordon is over by what will be the bat signal, which looks really good. Joker is climbing out of the stairway with Harley Quinzel kind of helping him, just kind of stood at the top there. She's still in her doctor's outfit, which I think is quite a nice touch. Poison Ivy we've got down here climbing down her vines from her cell room. We've got two goons down here, being a Two-Face goon and a Joker goon, being lurked and stalked by Batman, and they're running away, obviously scared. Down here we have Batgirl and Robin coming across Bane and Two-Face, which I quite like. And over here we have Killer Croc letting Riddler down, kind of helping him out, because Riddler's probably physically the least active out of all the villains, I would say. Maybe I could be wrong. But yeah, I've took a bunch of pictures of that as well. I guess what we need to kind of do now is add the lights and show them off. And now we've added the lights, you can kind of see we've added them to each floor, and they really like illuminate everything nicely. I can't believe that Youmko have gone ahead and just added this anyway as part of the set. My favorite one is this light. You can customize it. So I've got it flashing like the bat signal right now. You can have loads of different options, and this is the same with all of them. But like, yeah, so you've got that like different options where you can have the lights flashing or doing whatever you want. We'll kind of walk around the back here. I'm not sure if it will look as good from over here, but we can just see there are some lights on the first floor as well. You can kind of see them through there, but you can't, like, obviously I've kind of got them set up to showcase the front of the build more, but I just think they're such a good touch, and I think they definitely add a lot to the set. Lighting it up makes it really cool, and that bat signal is an amazing little feature, and I love that I've got that included in the set too. I want to note as well, both of these massive instruction booklets were really good, really easy to follow, and the pieces of the actual build were pretty good as well. Obviously there are a few issues every so often here and there, but nothing of note. Really solid build. It just, oh man, it's so cool to like see all this come together. But yeah, the instructions were really good as well, and I was impressed, and it just made it like nice and stress-free to do most of the builds. And that's always something that I think about when going into building alternate Lego. I honestly feel like it's a bit of a waste of time to say that this is Ballistic Brick certified. And not only is it Ballistic Brick certified, Youmko provided another one of the best builds of channel history. Absolutely fantastic that they have made a modular Arkham Asylum build for a fantastic price. The fact that they can produce sets like this speaks levels on Lego, especially looking at, obviously it's only a leak right now unless anything changes between the time I'm recording this video and when it actually comes out. But the fact that they are making this Arkham Asylum set, that's only going to be one base plate big, and it's triple the price of this, which is probably going to be triple the size of that one, is insane. That's wrong. And the fact that we can build sets like these for such good prices speaks so much about what makes alternate Lego so great. Youmko are doing a fantastic job and produce some amazing sets. And their sister site Barware are also doing that with original designs, working with creators. And together, I've worked with both of their sites so much and been impressed so many times. We've built some of the most amazing builds in collaboration with them. And I'm so excited to be able to keep working with them. It's such an amazing opportunity for me. And hopefully you guys love all the videos. And if you guys want to help me out, I will have all the necessary links to go buy this set in the description with my code. And it will basically help me so much, because it shows that, you know, you guys are interested in sets like these, and it always helps when obviously the links are used. But yeah, I'm so impressed. Like the fact that like Lego Batman has always been one of my favorite like themes as a kid and everything, and the fact that like the Arkham Asylum specifically, the set that I have that is now broken up, you know, lost to the bins kind of. I don't know if we're ever going to be able to get that one together, but the fact that this one is basically that set but blown up into exactly what I would have wanted it to be when I was a kid, and for cheaper than that set would have been as well, is mental. I love that we've been able to use the Joker from that original Arkham Asylum set as well in this one. And like, listen, of course, the minifigures, the 16 minifigures that will come out with the Arkham Asylum will be perfect. And I'm not even ruling out the fact that I might get that Arkham Asylum. But the fact that you can get this for the price is insane. I'm over the moon. Like, that's all I can say. I'm so happy that we have this set. that this exists, like, and the fact that the alternate market makes and allows for mock builds like this to be made for amazing prices, is so, so cool to me, guys. I'm in love with it. I can't wait to see it in the wider theme of the city. It looks fantastic. I love how the minifigures are actually, but I probably will change them up a bit here and there just to, you know, really show them off more. And especially like Batman, I feel like Batman should be maybe in a better position than just chasing some henchmen or goons. So yeah, honestly, if you guys have any suggestions for what I should build next, please let me know. But I can't recommend you guys Youmko enough. A fantastic company, fantastic people working there, making some fantastic sets. I am privileged to be able to work with them like I have been. And I'm privileged to be able to build this set, bring you this video. I hope you guys really, really enjoyed it. If you want to see more, I've got loads of other videos on the channel, and hopefully soon I should be adding this to my Lego city. But in the meantime, I've been Ballistic Bricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later. Bye!